guys, it's your girl Shalomati here. Here is where we cook simple food with simple recipes with locally available ingredients just at your doorstep. Kindly subscribe and share this video if you like it. Give it a thumbs up and let's get to the cooking. So today we are cooking chicken. As you can see, I've already boiled the chicken. So we get to see the vegetables that we are going to use. Here are some tomatoes and here are some carrots. I like chopping them in those shapes. Here are some onions. I like slicing them in those very thin slices. Here is my green bell pepper. This is my garlic, well crushed, and this is my coriander. It's so cheap and affordable. As you can see, I've not used a lot of ingredients, and I'll also use some Royco cubes. They are called Maggi Star. Some curry powder. I like using curry powder. Some black pepper, some paprika, and of course we have to use oil, and I like the golden fry oil. So let's get to the cooking. I don't like a lot of oil. I'm checking on my fat level in the body. I don't like a lot of oil, but I think we'll add some. Forgive me if the video will not be really clear because I'm recording it on my own. I already put some oil, but I'm just adding some because I see like it's not enough for our chicken. I didn't buy a lot of chicken because I like eating my food once and then the next day cooking another kind of food. I don't like eating the same food thrice. You cook your chicken, continue turning them. Some of them have already started turning golden brown, and I like it that way. The better you fry them, the sweeter they are. I like cooking them like this before I start cooking my vegetables. But I think at this point we are going to add our onions. I used 2 onions, medium-sized onions. You can as well use as many as you want, or you can reduce. But I like my onions when they're not too little and they're not too many, because the sweetness of food is in the onions. The marination that I did is already it's already making me salivate, and the chicken is not even ready. a little more oil because it seems like the oil is not enough. Just keep on turning, and I see my onions are almost turning golden brown. I like my onions when they are cooked up to when they turn golden brown. The food is more sweeter compared to the onions that are not well cooked. At this point, I'm going to add my green bell pepper and my garlic. I like adding them at this point. I don't like my bell pepper crunchy. I like them well cooked. Oh, it's so hard for me to shoot while cooking. My hands are clean, don't mind me using my hands. Give it a good mix. And I forgot, I already put salt when I was cooking, but when I'm making the stew, I'll still see if the salt is not enough, then I'll have to add some more salt. Salt is a key ingredient above all. Cover it a little bit so that it continues cooking and it retains its aroma. The progress is so good. When you cover them up, they cook very fast compared to when they're open. I'm going to go in with my carrots. Just give it a good mix. Then after 1 minute, you will go in with your tomatoes. The food is already coming out well, and we are not yet finished cooking. I'm going to go in with my tomatoes. I cut 2 big tomatoes. I felt like the tomatoes are not enough, so I had to go in with another 1 big tomato. a little bit of soy sauce. I don't like a lot of it. I don't like this. At this point, we are going to add our prepared ingredients. I'm going to add some powder, paprika, black pepper, and some cubes. I'm only going to use 1 cube. I don't like a lot of spices. I'll cover it again and let it cook on middle flame. It's ready. So at this point I decided to add some water because I'm going to eat it with rice. My food is already tasting delicious and it's not ready. Now at this point I'll have to go in with my coriander. I like my coriander when they are green, so I'll have to turn this off. Guys, look at that. Tons of fire. Look at that, guys. I decided to cook rice that I could eat with it. I put some water to boil so that I can cook rice. I'm going to go in with a half teaspoon of salt and this nicely chopped carrots. I don't like my rice when it's pure white, so I have to put in some carrots to spice the color up. Let's mix well so that the salt, let's mix it up so that the salt dissolves in the water really well. And I'll also add my cooking oil. Remember we said we are checking on our fat. We have to cover our food. Let's wait for the water to boil. Our water is boiling already, so I'll go in with my rice. I use 2 tumblers of water, and I'm going to use 1 tumbler of rice. I usually don't wash my rice. ndio rice itokee moja moja. Let's wait for it. Let's check the progress of our rice. We're gonna turn it so that the carrots are evenly distributed. Look how appetizing my rice is. Then leave it so that it can cook. Our rice is almost ready. The water is almost done draining. Let me check. Look at the rice. Let's give it some more 10 seconds, then we serve. I also had some potatoes that I cooked off camera. I'm just going to warm them so that I can serve my delicious meal. Can't wait to taste. The rice is okay. See how it's well cooked. It's not overcooked, it's not undercooked. I'll have to serve off camera, then show you. So guys, my food is ready and I'm ready to eat. Look how delicious my food is. You can't just believe I cooked this. I can't wait to taste it. I'm so impatient. Till next time, guys. Bye.